Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get scrunchy and dress to impress with accessory adjustment. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this item from the Valentine's update, and then you're going to color it what you want. I'm just going to color it red, and then you can follow this adjustment. For the position, you're going to make the X position like this, don't change it, and for the Y position you're going to make it 0.59. Okay, and for the Z position just leave it like that, and for the rotate you're going to make it 0.92. Okay, and for the Y position just leave it like that, and Z position just leave it like that, and for the scale you're going to make it 0, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrunchie and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.